Marriage is not the end of the road. For the fact that your marriage did not work does not mean that your life cannot work as a lady or as a wife. And for the fact that you're a single mom does not mean that the destiny of your children can't be great. We should stop, even if a marriage does not work and you see a lady comes back to her father's house, don't start stigmatizing her or calling her. Society has a lot to do. If a lady comes back home from an abusive marriage, begin to hear another, maybe the neighbor, don't play with that lady again. She just returned. Don't let her put her bad luck of returning from a marriage on you. You begin to see segregation the way people be saying, guiding their own children from.
In Yoruba, they say Odale Mosu.
Toba Dale Musu and her life. Is it not better? So why do we keep, and you know, in marriage or in life, we should learn to love our neighbors. Gossiping about a lady that got married at the age of 40 or that's too late to get married is not your concern. We should just stop putting pressure on people, gossiping about them, making people feel their life is over. That you're 40 years old, you're not yet married, does not mean that you can marry next year or next month. Or you can't give birth or something. We have a lot of people that they have gotten married at the age of 25 and till 50 years old, they are not enjoying anything. They're even regretting. Ask many married men or women, how many of them are enjoying? Society should stop putting pressure. The church members or the friends should stop putting pressures. You have not given birth the first year, the 20th year. You should stop putting pressures. Because most things you've discovered is just culture, our culture here, and just African mentality.
Okay, so there's more to life, you know.
Yes, there's
now
more to
marriage
life.
and childbearing.
There's
Is that
more
what
to
you're
life.
saying?
There's more to it.